Shiba Inu could potentially replace Cardano if it hits the price of 10 cents. In this video, we will discuss what would happen if the Shiba Inu token hits the 10-cent mark. Could it replace Cardano? Is it even possible for Shiba Inu to hit the 10-cent mark? Make sure to stick around until the end of the video to find out. Okay, now this is something to take into consideration. So far, the Shiba Inu token has been doing great in the market. Apart from keeping the price of 8 Satoshi units for so long, the developers behind Shiba Inu have launched projects such as ShibaSwap, which is Shiba Inu's decentralized exchange. On the other hand, we have seen a massive burning of Shiba Inu tokens, taking the amount that was in circulation from 1 quadrillion to just 400 trillion. But we have to see more token burns if you want to see Shiba Inu climbing the charts. And there is great news about this because the devs and the heads behind Shiba Inu Coin have already announced that they will implement a burning system using NFTs. This system will allow users to burn their coins in exchange for NFTs with values that can potentially increase over time. However, we are here to compare Shiba Inu to Cardano and how Shiba Inu can surpass and replace Cardano if it hits the 10-cent mark. Now let's take a look at Cardano. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain, the first to be founded on peer-reviewed research. The innovative platform needs transaction validations, and the validators would need to stake some of their ADA coins. The project was founded by Charles Hoskinson, who is also the co-founder of the popular altcoin Ethereum. This project has been gaining investors' attention in recent months, and it's having a spectacular year so far. Cardano ended 2020 at a price of 18 cents per coin with a 500% increase so far, which means an absolute win. In the stock market, this would mean that the price would have to pull back, but everyone knows that's not how cryptos work. In fact, such an increase can attract more attention, which would mean more investors, thus a higher price. The same has happened with the Shiba Inu Coin, where we saw a 5 million% rise in price for the last 12 months. That is far more than Cardano's 12-month increase. However, another major milestone for Cardano is the fact that they have 100% decentralized their blockchain. In late July 2020, Cardano released the Shelly upgrade, which was one of the most significant initiatives for the coin. The network has recently announced that its blockchain is 100% decentralized on block production. What does this mean in simpler words? Now the community stake pool operators are fully responsible for block production. Unlike Bitcoin, where 80% of block production is done by only 10 most prominent mining pools, now the investors of Cardano have more control over this crypto. Another great benefit of full decentralization, in addition to lowering risks and tax by 51%, is that the number of users will increase. If that's not enough, wait until you hear this. Cardano is now available for trading on the biggest cryptocurrency exchange, which is Coinbase. Shiba Inu will be available in Coinbase Pro, giving it a chance to get more exposure from a larger audience. And these are not the only selling points for the cryptocurrency. Let's mention for a second its potential connection to digital collectibles, which is one of the hottest trends of the moment as we speak. That's correct. As we mentioned earlier, Shiba Inu might be looking at a potential connection to non-fungible tokens or NFTs. This means that it could be possible to create NFTs on Shiba Inu's blockchain, which would act as a rocket for the price of this crypto. But wait, Shiba Inu doesn't have its own blockchain since it's currently operating on Ethereum. Well, sources from inside the Shiba Inu coin have said that Shiba Inu is expected to have its own decentralized blockchain by December of 2021. However, what is great news for Shiba Inu could be a downside for Cardano, which doesn't yet support smart contracts and doesn't have an NFT token standard. This is kind of a problem because last month, Cardano developers said that they plan to launch a smart contract-focused testnet by the end of October, which is as far as it's near. Cardano uses a sidechain to connect to other chains. The altcoin is driven by research and uses math-proof blockchain to construct hierarchical ecosystem in order to solve scalability, interoperability, and consistency. The project was initiated by previous Ethereum CEO Charles Hoskinson and consisted of 3 organizations: Cardano Foundation, IOHK, and Imugo, taking responsibility for commercialization, research, and investment respectively. Although the mainnet has been released, the project is slow and there are only 9 projects built on Cardano. The total market cap of its token ADA is about $38 billion based on the current price of $2.42. But how does Cardano work? Cardano is the first blockchain platform that derives from natural philosophy, consisting of 3 organizations. The first is the Cardano Foundation, located in Switzerland. mainly responsible for Cardano community construction. The second is IOHK, the R&D center located in Hong Kong. The third is Imurgo at Japan, aiming to provide consultant service and financial support for startups that want to build products on Cardano. Cardano uses a sidechain to realize interoperability. This project adopts the unique Ouroboros consensus, claimed as the first provable proof-of-stake algorithm. Furthermore, the Plutus platform is written in Haskell, which claims to be the securest functional programming language, solving the problem of on-chain and off-chain language in coordination. It's also the first peer-reviewed blockchain project. There are 5 important stages of Cardano. Byron stage realizes decentralized network processing of Cardano settlement layer. In the Shelley stage, Cardano focuses on important functionality implementation like stake allocation and stake pool testnet. In the Goguen stage, they develop IELE virtual machine and make it a general programming language. In the Basho stage, Cardano improves its performance, implements Ouroboros prowess, and modifies the network layer. In the last Voltaire stage, they aim to realize the sustainability of the project. Though its mainnet has been released and the project is 6 years old, the first stage has not been finished so far due to its grand vision and high-level developer entrance benchmark. Smart contracts and other functions are not deployed on the mainnet except token transfer. Of course, the developer ecosystem is not formed. When it allows developers to use traditional languages like Java, C, and JavaScript to program surrounding applications, the situation may be better. We know from projects built on the Cardano list that there are less than 10 relative projects, excluding official projects. Although there are regular audits, details of usage and plans of funds are not revealed, and transparency of the foundation is also an issue. Internal management problems and conflicts are also disclosed in the development process. The total token number is 45 billion. The current market cap for Cardano is $77 billion, and 32 billion tokens are in circulation at a market. Regarding the token distribution, investors from Japan take 95% of the total quota, which may cost token holder centralization. Clear advantage that Shiba Inu has against Cardano here is the decentralized system that it offers. Now we have mentioned all of the above to show Shiba Inu has a chance in replacing Cardano in case it hits the 10-cent mark. Is this a possible reality? Can Shiba Inu really replace Cardano? And most importantly, can Shiba Inu hit the 10 cents mark? We will take a look at the scenario together, so make sure to stick around until the end of the video. With the current supply of 400 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, it's impossible for Shiba Inu to hit the 10-cent mark. It would require $40 trillion to fulfill that goal, which is quite impossible with the current technology. However, if 99% of the current Shiba Inu tokens would get burned and the supply would get reduced to just 5 trillion tokens, even with just a price of 1 cent per token, Shiba Inu would come significantly closer to Cardano with a market cap of $50 billion. This means that if we take the possibility of Shiba Inu hitting the 10-cent mark, we would see the token getting to a market cap of 500 billion, which is more than half of the current Bitcoin market cap. With this more realistic scenario, we can see Shiba Inu surpassing and replacing Cardano in the rank of the market cap. But how possible is this? You see, we already mentioned that developers and the heads of Shiba Inu are working to decrease its circulating supply, and they eventually will with the support of the community. It's only a matter of time until we see Shiba Inu rising to hit these levels that seem impossible now. If you want to learn more about the big Shiba Inu burn, then watch this next video.